To enable and use Circle to Search in Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate into display options right here, and then you can scroll down until you find the navigation bar. Enter it, and then there's Circle to Search. To call it out, you will need to click and hold the home circle button right here, and then you can use it. To use it, there's multiple different ways. First, let's cover the toolbar that we can see below. You can use the translation tool, which translates entire page that you can see from one language that you can select right here into one of the languages that you can select right here as well. Alternatively, we can also click on this button. If there's any music app playing right now, you can click on it to detect the song name for the name for the song if it's playing. You can also use the microphone to perform a voice search, and you can also click on Google itself to perform Google search using the image of a screenshot of the page. You can then select the text. Simply click on the text to copy or translate it, and you can also click on the individual images on the screen to make a screenshot of them and then search them using Google. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.